Are you recording too? Wait, you're recording? Oh, I'm on the call. And then I wait for Isaiah 2 hours.
Found a car submerged in Stuyvesant Falls, New York.
Stuyvesant.
Near the Kinderhook.
What did you call that town?
I don't know if I'm
Say it
saying
again.
right.
Say it again,
Next
quick.
Monday.
Stuyvesant Falls. It says it's near Kinderhook.
It's Stuyvesant.
This thing.
Is that roll phone? Look.
Okay.
No, she's
Terry, look.
You are not coming in here.
Oh, you got one too, huh?
Yep.
You guys are lucky.
Hold on, I'm gonna tell you this. This is my private property. My private property. You're getting in my privacy.
Look
You're
at
invading
that.
my
What a nice
privacy.
little place you got
Get out,
there.
Terry. I'm a bodyguard. Get
Nice
out.
place you
Invading my
got.
privacy.
Get out, Terry. Don't go in their privacy. Guys, we're not going to keep them. I'm a